Have you ever looked at your bank statement and wondered why your money is just sitting there instead of actually working for you? Most of us stick with the big-name banks out of habit, even if the interest rates are near zero and the fees keep climbing. But what if there was a middle ground between those giant, impersonal institutions and the tiny local banks that lack modern tech? That brings us to the question of the day: what type of bank is EverBank? If you're confused because you remember them being called TIAA Bank, you aren't imagining things. EverBank is a nationally chartered commercial bank that recently underwent a massive rebrand. After being part of TIAA for several years, the bank was sold to a group of private investors in 2023 and returned to its roots with the EverBank name. But commercial bank is just a legal label. To you, the consumer, EverBank functions as a high-yield, digital-first specialty bank. Think of it as a hybrid. It isn't a neobank or a fintech startup that just launched last week. It's an established institution with over $40 billion in assets and a history that stretches back decades. However, unlike Chase or Bank of America, you won't find an EverBank branch on every street corner. While they do have physical financial centers, primarily in Florida, they operate mostly as a direct bank. This means they save a fortune on overhead by not having thousands of buildings, and they pass those savings on to you through much higher interest rates. So, what does that look like in practice? High-yield focus: their flagship products are their performance savings and money market accounts. In an era where some big banks offer 0.01%, EverBank consistently stays near the top of the market. Checking with a twist: they offer interest-bearing checking accounts, which is a rarity. Plus, they have a massive ATM network and offer fee reimbursements, effectively making any ATM their ATM. Security: because they are a national bank, they are FDIC insured. This is crucial. Your deposits are protected up to $250,000 per depositor, giving you the same safety net as the biggest banks in the world. Essentially, EverBank is designed for the modern, tech-savvy person who wants the security of a traditional bank but the growth-first mindset of an online lender. They specialize in high-value deposit accounts and commercial lending rather than trying to be a one-stop shop for everything like credit cards or car loans. If you're looking for a place where your cash can actually outpace inflation while staying fully accessible through a mobile app, that's exactly the niche EverBank fills. They are the performance choice for people who are tired of standard banking. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.